All right, hear me out. Quantum physics says that matter acts like waves if you look at it really, really close. And our thoughts and our feelings are also waves, right? So, does it mean that our thoughts and our feelings and matter is made out of the same thing? And then when you think about it, and quantum physics says that as well, that like attracts like. So that means that if my thoughts are waving in a certain wavelength, and if my feelings are also waving in the same wavelength, if it's aligned, then matter is going to align itself too. So even if you're only thinking thoughts, but you have different feeling, that's what contradicts the manifestation, right? In like a physical world. But if you combine both of these, then bam, you have it like really quickly. I also think about it that way, and I promise you this works every time. That if you imagine this quantum field and you just stand in the field and you're sending out these waves of certain frequency, of certain wavelength, you think about the thing you project with your mind to kind of construct what exactly would you like. And then you also project the emotion, the good positive emotion, that you combine two of them and then you send out this wave of this thing that you want into the field. And I imagine it as, maybe you've heard it, how the dolphins can like almost see in the sea very, very far away when they're swimming. um, they are actually sending these sound waves out into the water, and they know if there's a rock, for example, or a whale or whatever, like, I don't know how far away from them, but how they know that is that they send this sound wave, and this sound wave will bounce off the object and come back to them. And that's how they know even like the distance between the object and them. So this is how I imagine like standing in this quantum field, right? And sending out these waves, and then whatever matches the wave that I'm sending out is going to bounce and come back and be attracted to me. You know what I mean? It's a really good visual imaginary representation of how it may work. But I kid you not, every time that I do this, it actually works, and I do end up attracting what I wanted to attract, and it happens in the matter of hours most of the time. So worth trying. Let me know.